Practice reading sentences. Start with let us. Children, read with. Let us have a teddy bear picnic with all our stuffed animals. Let us build a magical out of cardboard, boxes, and imagination. Let us plant seeds and watch them grow into colorful flowers. Let us make a giant bubble with our bubble wands. Let us become detectives and solve the mystery of the missing cookies. Let us have a dance party in the living room. Let us be superheroes and save the day. Let us make a rainbow with crayons: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Let us build a robot using recycled materials. Let us have a race. Who can run the fastest? Let us paint a masterpiece with our fingers and colorful paints. Let us build a sand castle at the beach and decorate it with seashells. Let us play hide and seek. Count to 10 and close your eyes. Let us make paper airplanes and see whose flies the farthest. Let us dream big and imagine all the wonderful things we can do. Great work, children!